Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vehicle Info. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 P-51 Mustang, a car that has taken the legacy of American muscle and fused it with modern innovation and electrifying performance. This is not just a tribute to the classic World War II fighter plane it shares a name with. This is a performance machine built for a new generation of drivers who crave speed, style, and cutting-edge technology. The first thing you notice about the 2025 P-51 Mustang is its aggressive yet refined design. Ford has kept the muscular stance and iconic long hood that Mustang lovers appreciate, but it's now sharpened with aerodynamic lines, modern LED lighting, and sleek details that scream performance. A wider grille, active air vents, and a slightly lowered ride height give it a planted look. The P-51 badge is proudly displayed on the fenders, reminding everyone this isn't your standard Mustang, yet it's something far more special. Under the hood, the 2025 P-51 doesn't disappoint. Powering this beast is a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that roars with over 825 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. That's right, a Ford and its performance division went all out with this one, giving the P-51 Mustang more power than any street-legal Mustang before it. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission with rev-matching downshifts and a strengthened drivetrain to handle all that brute force. But raw power is only part of the story. The P-51 Mustang is equipped with a performance-tuned suspension system featuring magnetic ride control and adjustable dampers. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing up a racetrack, the car adjusts in real time to deliver a responsive and planted feel. A set of Brembo brakes with 6-piston front calipers ensure that stopping power is just as impressive as acceleration. And speaking of acceleration, the 2025 P-51 Mustang can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.3 seconds. With launch control enabled and sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires gripping the road, this Mustang delivers a thrilling experience that rivals even some exotic supercars. Inside the cabin, the P-51 blends modern luxury with a race-ready feel. Premium Recaro bucket seats hug you in place, while Alcantara and carbon fiber accents give the interior a sporty, upscale vibe. The digital cockpit includes a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Ford Sync 5 interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, voice commands, and performance telemetry features so you can track lap times, G-forces, and more. For those who love to customize their drive, there are multiple drive modes, including normal, sport, track, drag strip, and a customizable My mode for personal preferences. Each mode adjusts throttle response, steering weight, suspension feel, and exhaust sound. And yes, the exhaust note can be tuned from a quiet neighborhood mode to full-on race car growl. It's one of the most satisfying parts of the P-51 experience. Another standout feature is the new advanced driver assist system. While this Mustang is all about performance, it doesn't skimp on safety and convenience. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system are all included. It's perfect for drivers who want peace of mind when they're not pushing the limits. Let's not forget the tech under the skin. The P-51 is built on Ford's next-generation lightweight architecture, which combines high-strength steel and aluminum to reduce weight while improving structural rigidity. This improves handling, fuel efficiency, and crash safety all at once. Ford also offers the P-51 in a limited number of color options, each paying homage to historical aviation themes. From matte gunmetal gray to deep navy blue with fighter jet-inspired pinstripes, every detail feels like part of a story. The wheels are forged aluminum, 20 inches in diameter, with P-51 engraving on the center caps for that extra touch of exclusivity. What makes the P-51 Mustang truly special is how it balances heritage and progress. It celebrates the raw, mechanical passion of traditional American muscle while embracing the sophistication and intelligence of modern engineering. It's a car for enthusiasts who want to feel the road, hear the engine, and be completely immersed in the driving experience. Production of the 2025 P-51 Mustang will be limited, making it a collector's dream. Only 2,000 units are planned worldwide, and each one will come with a numbered plaque, exclusive merchandise, and a track day driving course included. Pricing starts at around $120,000, making it a premium offering, but when you factor in the performance, technology, and exclusivity, it's clear this car offers serious value in the high-performance segment. To sum it all up, the 2025 P-51 Mustang isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who love the thrill of the open road, the sound of a roaring V8, and the feel of a machine built for speed. It honors the past while charging into the future with confidence and style. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or a newcomer looking for something special, the P-51 Mustang is one of the most exciting releases of the year. Thanks for watching Auto Vehicle Info. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 P-51 Mustang, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the hottest vehicles hitting the road. See you in the next video.